Hi guys, my name is Chris.
And I'm Daniel. We are representing Online Philippines, where we gear up for a borderless lifestyle.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, thankful, oh yeah, I'm stable.
Ngayon guys, pag-uusapan natin yung ibang basic steps to create a WordPress website.
A surprising fact is that there are still many businesses that do not have a website.
You would think that in this digital modern era, everybody would know how important a website is for a business. A website helps you establish credibility as a business.
At ayun nga, there are still actually quite a few small businesses that do not have a website, and without one, this is exactly how they will stay small.
Without a website, prospects are going to assume you that you are a small-time company that does not take their business seriously. Maaaring ganun, or kung hindi naman, pwede nilang isipin na bogus ka. Believe it or not, knowing how to make a website from scratch is one of the more essential skills you should master.
Truth to be told, there are many website platforms that you can use when building a new site. Ang tawag dito ay Content Management System o CMS. The idea of a CMS is to give you some easy-to-use tools so that you're able to edit your site's content without any knowledge of coding.
Sabi nga nila, drag and drop. Those CMS look much like the familiar interfaces at Facebook or Google Documents. Basically, gagawa ka ng new pages or documents and then have them published to the web para makita mo gamit ng Google or Explorer or iba pang mga browsers.
So ito ang mga unang steps na kailangan mong malaman. Number 1, domain and hosting. You need to have these two. So ano nga ba ang domain? At ano ang hosting? A domain or domain name refers to the named address or identification label for your location on the internet.
The domain allows others to access your website directly with an easy-to-remember address instead of using a numeric IP address. Registering a domain name secures that specific internet address. No one else can use that particular domain name on the internet.
Several companies offer standalone domain name registration. This allows you to secure a domain name without purchasing hosting services. While this will protect your domain name from being taken by someone else, it will not allow you to host a website or utilize email services with your domain. Ang hosting naman provides a powerful server which is constantly connected to the internet with several high-speed connections.
The server is managed by the hosting company, so the hosting customers do not have to worry about server maintenance, upgrades, or even configuration. Number 2, maging familiar sa user interface or in short UI ng WordPress. In this example, we will log in into our WordPress user panel. If you go to www.on-philippines.com/wp-admin, this is what you will see.
After logging in successfully, you'll see the main WordPress interface. Number 1 is welcome message. Some of the most important areas of the admin panel listed as quick shortcut links. These are usually your shortcuts how to make a website.
Number 2, the current status of your site and what's going on with it. Number 3 is post. Go here to create a blog post. Number 4, media. Upload or manage images and other media files here.
5. Pages. Go here to create sub-pages. 6. Comments. This is where you can moderate comments.
7. Appearance. Change your site's design here and or customize how certain things are displayed on the current design. Number 8. Plugins. This is where to install new plugins.
Users. Manage user accounts that can access the admin panel of the website. 10 is settings. The main settings.
You can also set permalinks. So permalinks define how the individual web page addresses, aka URLs, are structured within your site. The most optimized structure is to have the page's title in the URL.
Example is your about page, which will be available under something as simple as your site.com/about. Setting the permalinks correctly will allow you to achieve that.
Now, to set your permalinks, go to Settings, Permalinks from the main sidebar in your WP dashboard.
Once there, select this setting. Making your site public, syempre, you want Google to be able to find and index your website. To make sure that's the case, go to Settings, Reading, and make sure that the box labeled Discourage Search Engines is unchecked. Set your website title and tagline, go to Settings. General, and set the site title and tagline fields to what you want.
Your site title and tagline might appear in various places throughout the site. So some WordPress themes display those on the homepage and in the SEO description, which Google uses when listing your website on the results page.
The tagline is optional. You can leave it blank if you don't have a tagline for the site. Allow or disable comments. Whether or not you want to accept comments on your website is up to you.
On the one hand, letting readers leave their opinions and questions under articles pages can be great for building a community around the website. But on the other, you'll also have your hands busy dealing with spam and making sure that there's no trolling.
Whether you end up allowing or disabling comments, it can be done in Settings, Discussion. Disable ping box and track box. I don't know why this setting is even still in WordPress.
It's mostly a leftover from back in the day when pingbacks and trackbacks were a thing. Though, if you want to learn how to make a website in this day and age, you can simply deactivate them by deselecting the following setting in Settings and Discussion.
Set your time zone. Setting your time zone correctly will make publishing new pages and posts more predictable. Generally, you want to set the time zone to either where you're at or where your target audience is at. Whichever makes more sense, you can set the time zone in Settings, General. Oh, mga kaon, yun lang muna masishare natin sa ngayon. Watch more of our videos about WordPress.
Again, my name is Daniel,
At ako po si Chris,
representing Online Philippines, where we gear up for borderless lifestyle.
Break on, oh yeah, ain't